Hi, my name is Mark. It's Thursday, July 23rd. I wired up my float switch for my pump. My previous video, I had a nice drawing explaining how it went together, right there. And I wired it, and I just thought I'd just show you how I wired it physically. I do have nice video editing software. It's called Filmora. I've done a couple. It's very time consuming and I'm just being lazy, so maybe one day I'll combine all these videos together, but for now I'm just kind of piecemealing it for a quick instructional video. So here's my 120 volt green pilot light. It's not very bright. I kind of knew it was going to happen, but I'm just going to go with it for now. I put it into a weatherproof box and I put it on a cord end feeding it, and this is where I took the duplex, as in my drawing right here, and I split that brass tab, which is this little guy right here. I pop that tab off, which goes right there. This is hot now, I don't want to touch it. So that one of those, the top half or the bottom half is energized at one time, because the black wire right here is the common, the blue or the red are the normally open and the normally closed contacts right here, which are in the float switch. So what I did, just for a quick little example, is I got this etching tool. I'm going to turn it on. It's a little noisy, and I'm going to just demonstrate how this works. This is going to simulate my pump, which I just plug into this outlet once I reinstall it back into my system. So here, I'm going to turn it on. So here's my float switch sitting in my sump. The water, it's floating upright like this. When the water level goes down slowly, it shuts off the pump and turns on my indicator light. Watch, I'm going to flip it back. So it's doing two things. It's shutting my pump off, which is the most important thing, but it's illuminating my green indicator light, which will be up on my deck. I'm going to mount it over here somewhere. It's shady, and also when I'm in my hot tub, I can just look over and I can see, oh, I need to add water to it, which I'm in my hot tub pretty much twice a day. So there it is. It's all open, so you can see it. I'm going to put it all back together again. I probably won't do another video anything about this. I just thought I'd break out simply the how-to. But I'm excited to see it work. All right, have a good day. Bye.